I just ordered this Pokemon mystery box for 500 bucks off eBay. Let's get right into it. So right off the bat, I see a 2-pack blister, pretty good. Enhanced Journey Together booster box. Nice. Ooh. 2 Japanese booster boxes of Stellar Crown. Three booster bundles of Journey Together. A booster bundle of Paldea Evolve and Paldea Fates. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleeve booster packs of Journey Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleeve booster packs of Paradox Rift. And 5 sleeve blister packs of Surgeon Sparks. We also got a card order. We spent $500 on this also from the seller on eBay. We got the Articuno, the Japanese Terror Festival Umbreon, Charizard EX, Charizard EX from 151, Alakazam from 151, Hydrogen from Surgeon Sparks, Hops Wooloo from Journey Together, and Zapdos EX from 151. We also got 2 graded cards here. It's got some cracks in it, but it's Beckett anyway, so we'll probably just throw that one out. Here we got a CGC Whimsicott V-Star. This is a pretty sick card. All in all, I did pretty good. All this stuff for $1,000 I don't know though. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Was it worth it? $1,000. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.